unboxing today. Helmet, order in November, finally here. Let's go. Alright guys, let's get right to it. Ordered a helmet from REFERRAL. REFERRAL had a huge sale back in October, November on the Atlas 2.0 because obviously, why would you have a massive sale unless something new is coming out? Atlas 2.0 looks great, that's what I've seen so far, so that looks awesome. 2.0 in the box. Let's go ahead and open this guy up and see what's going on and what I ordered. Let's go. As I mentioned previously, I ordered this back in November. I believe it was November 7th or something like that. And it's been on back order since then. So let's go ahead and get here. So there's a box within a box. Let's go ahead and take out this box. Oh yeah. Got a box within a box. So it's got the REFERRAL logo on there. And it's got the Atlas logo there. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Helmet, visors, and the sound system for the Atlas. Let's go ahead and take everything out and go from there. Then we got a tinted visor. Then we got the tinted visor. Oh, actually, oh yeah. I remember now. We got some REFERRAL stickers. Let's go ahead and take this guy out. What else is in here? We got the gel. We got a, looks like an Atlas 2.0 poster. And some branding for the engine hawk, which I'm already a part of anyway on Facebook for the new jackets that are coming up. All right, so we've got the Atlas 2.0. Which one did I order? Let's go ahead and open her up here. That, oh yeah. I believe this is the Shraken. I believe it is. Honestly, I don't remember. It's been so long ago that I ordered it. But that is the helmet right there. Matte black with gold striping. That looks sick. Can't wait to try this on and see how it fits. That looks sick. That's awesome. Yeah, so it's got the clear visor on the helmet. Comes with the clear visor. And then I believe this probably will be the tinted visor that comes with as well. Other manufacturers, you have to actually buy the tinted visor for the helmet. Yep, this is the tinted smoke visor. And then I ordered another visor. Which one? I'll show you in a second. Oh, I'm super excited. Oh, I can't wait to try it on and actually see how it feels. Very simple to actually change out the visor as well. It's just a quick little look on the tab. Come back to this side. Do the same thing on this side. Pull that out. You pop out the visor, that's it. And then you try to take the side pieces off. That's pretty much it. That's how you take the visor out. It's super simple. Don't have to actually worry about it or fiddle with it or anything like that. Like some helmets, nicely done. That is the clear. I'll put that one aside for now. I'm gonna grab the one that I ordered. Let's put this on. Click. That's me doing click. It's not actually doing the clicking noise. And now, what I'll do is I'll peel off. God, it looks so nice. All right, I'm back. The visor's clean, and I just spat on it. Visor's clean. There we go. What? That looks sick. That looks so sick. I'm so happy with that. That looks freaking amazing. What? The gold on the gold? Oh, that looks awesome. Leave a comment down below, guys, if you think this looks freaking awesome. Let's go ahead and open up the Shockwave sound system that actually comes for the helmet as well. Let's put this guy aside. Boom, Shockwave. Let's open up the Shockwave. Oh, it's another box within a box. We got the screwdriver, USB plug, I believe to charge obviously everything. The Shockwave, we got the speakers, and then we also have the microphone. I'm excited to set this up. So I'm actually going to be setting this helmet up as my vlogging helmet, which I'm going to start doing here this year in 2021 with the R6. Obviously, and maybe I'll do it with my Tesla too. Anyways, that is gonna look awesome. That's gonna be a quick install. I'm pretty sure it's an easy install, but I definitely will do a video with that as well. Super, super happy that this guy has arrived and it's made it here. What? It's freaking awesome. I love this thing. That is such a nice fit. One thing I have noticed right away, the screen fogs up really quickly. So definitely gonna think about getting the anti-fog screen. What a great fit. I love the fit. I thought it's gonna be more ovalish, but it's actually a perfect fit for my head. I've got a pretty small head as is. For I usually take mediums. That is such a nice fit. Also, what a quick and easy adjustment to put the helmet on and off. That's it. It's a magnet. That's it. It's a magnet. Click, and the helmet's on. Ingenious. That is awesome. I can't wait to take it out to see how it feels on the actual road. Holy. So this is my Schwami helmet. I've had this for ages. I've got another one over there that really old one I've had for 6-7 years, and then I switched over after 3 or 4 years. I switched over to this one, the exact same style and everything. So I've been using this one for a long time. This is my current one. It's got my U clear on there. I love this helmet. It's given me a lot of great times on riding with the tinted. That is awesome. Let me show you one more helmet. This is the Icon Airflight. Airflight? Hope I'm saying it right. Regardless, it's an awesome helmet. I love this helmet. I love the way it looks. However, this is more of an oval shaped helmet. This doesn't actually fit as snugly as I wanted to. When I put it on, I can actually take my hand and put it right up in front of my face. That's how much space there is in the front. But the helmet does look nice and sick. Like it's, so there's my hand right there. That's my hand, fits in there without me squishing my face or anything. But I love the way this helmet looks also. But then the more and more I thought about it, making this or using this helmet as my vlogging helmet would be very difficult. I would have to mount the GoPro on the side. And if I did that, if I mounted the GoPro on the front and I had all the wires, then while you're recording, you can't open this during the summertime or anything like that. So I don't know how I feel about it. I've used it maybe 2 or 3 times. It's a bit noisier than my Schwami. Have not ridden with the Atlas yet, obviously, because I literally just opened it. We got the Air Freight, we got the Schwami, and now we got the Atlas 2.0, which I'm really looking forward to. It's spring here yet, so I'm really looking forward to taking this guy out. Atlas Shuriken, whatever. Atlas 2.0, gold with gold visor. All right guys, that's it for today's video. That was the unboxing of the Atlas 2.0. The next video I probably won't post because it looks like there's another winter storm coming here in Toronto. It's probably going to be installing the Shockwave into the Atlas 2.0 along with setting up my GoPro and my setup for vlogging for 2021. Thanks for watching guys. Hit that like button if you liked the video. It'll actually help out a lot, and I would appreciate it if you hit that like button. It helps people find the videos on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell on more R6 stuff coming in spring 2021. Until the next one guys.